Hey guys, what's up? Nate here. Had a breakthrough with the Elgato. I downloaded an OBS software which works in tandem with the Elgato, so it doesn't have to work so hard doing everything, and it made my recording experience much better. So I had a really good game of Battlefield 1 tonight. Wanted to share it. I just had a blast being a sniper, running around doing the scout sniper class. So I have that interesting content here for you. I hope you enjoy it. Let me know what you think. Comment below, like, subscribe, become my new friend. I need all the homies I can get right now. I'm trying to grow this channel, guys. So thanks for tuning in, and I'll catch you right after this video.
Here we go. Ah. Light these biatches up. Oh, got some lit up. Headshot! Oh, where's that? Where's that? Was he AFK? I got some. Got him. Headshot. Breathe. Breathe gently. Where are they at? Where are these guys at? Oh, there's a guy. Weird. Okay. Damn. Come on. Fire's in my face. Oh shit. Oh shit. Oh my Lord Almighty. Huh? Got him, cuz. Oh, he got me. Dang. I can tell you right now, playing with the OBS, it processes a lot smoother. I'm not having that terrible lag. Man, that was terrible. Ah! Retreat! What was that? Oh shoot! Oh shoot! Yeah, gotcha. I got scared. Oh, I'm just pistoling these guys. Oh. It hurts. Oh, it hurts to do that to them. Oh, it hurts. Okay, I need some ammo. Oh. That was a good charge. Oh, you bastard. Oh, shoot, shoot. Don't die because of fire. Let's go, let's go. Whoa. Okay, got 3 shots left. Got him. Got him, baby. Shoot. Behind you. Damn. Headshot. Ooh. Homie gotta run. Oh, I didn't die. That was a good game. That guy just said rape. Oh my goodness. That's a killer kill-death ratio. Sweet. Ooh, that looks pretty cool. It's crap. Scrapping. Puzzle piece.
Okay, guys, you tell me. What'd you think? Like I said, comment below, like, subscribe, become my friends. I need some more homies, guys. Get it while the getting's good is what they said where I'm from. You didn't bring your truck with you, did you? So thanks for tuning in tonight, guys. I appreciate it. I hope it was entertaining. I had fun. I love getting a few headshots and having such a good kill death ratio. I'm not all about that, but it's always fun doing that at the end. So thanks for tuning in. Have fun. Remember, this is the Uncommon Network, so go out and be uncommon. Be yourself, because you cannot be replaced. All right, guys. Thanks for tuning in. I will see you next time. Peace.